Raj, I had a very awkward moment yesterday at the bus stop.
Oh no, Anjali, what happened at the bus stop?
A lady walked up to me, smiled, and asked a very basic question. Where are you from?
That is a classic friendly question. What did you say?
My brain got so confused between I am from and I live in. I looked at her and said, I'm living from India. She just nodded and walked away.
Oh, Anjali, I am living from India is a bit mixed up, but it's okay. Beginners always get confused when answering questions because they try to translate directly in their heads.
Exactly. I want to learn how to understand common questions and give short, beautiful, and simple answers without getting nervous.
You are in the right place. Today is lesson 6, Learn English through questions and answers. We are going to practice 3 daily questions that everyone will ask you, and our friends at home will practice answering them out loud with us.
I am ready. Let's practice speaking.
Let's fix your bus stop mistake first, Anjali. When someone asks, Where are you from? They want to know your home country or city. The simplest answer is just 4 words: I am from, and then your country.
So I just say, I'm from India.
Exactly. Simple, clean, and 100% correct. Let's practice that. Anjali, repeat after me. I am from India.
I am from India.
Now, friends at home, open your mouths and say your country out loud with Anjali. I am from. Great job.
Raj, what if I want to tell them the specific city I live in right now?
Then you use a different question and answer. If they ask, Where do you live? You say, I live in, and then your city. For example, I live in Delhi.
Oh, I see. I am from India, but I live in Delhi.
Perfect. Friends at home, let's practice that full sentence out loud. I am from India, but I live in Delhi. Beautifully done.
What is the next big question, Raj?
This one confuses a lot of people. When a native speaker asks, What do you do? They are not asking what you are doing right now. They mean, What is your job?
Oh, they mean my work. How do I answer that simply?
You just say, I am a or I am an, and then your job. For example, if you are a student, you say, I am a student. Let's practice that. Anjali,
I am a student.
friends at home, if you are a student, say it out loud now. I am a student.
What if I work in an office, Raj?
Then you say, I am an office worker. Let's say that one together. Friends at home, out loud. I am an office worker. Excellent. Now let's go to the error lab. I will say a broken answer, and you must say the correct version out loud at home before Anjali does.
Let's see who is faster today, me or our friends at home.
Question: Where are you from? Broken answer: I am belonging from Brazil. Say the correct version out loud at home now. Anjali, fix it.
Keep it simple. Just say, I am from Brazil.
Correct. Question: What do you do? Broken answer: I am work a teacher. Say the correct version out loud at home. Anjali,
Remove the word work. Say, I am a teacher.
perfect. If you got those right, your conversational English is getting stronger every single day.
Raj, practicing with real questions makes me feel like I am having a real conversation. I'm not afraid of the bus stop anymore.
That is the goal, Anjali. Real English is about communication, not perfection.
Friends at home, it is time for your daily speaking and writing homework.
Open your phone keyboards and go straight to the comment section below this video.
We want to get to know you. Answer this question in the comments. Where are you from?
Use our simple pattern and write, I am from your country. Don't worry about making mistakes. The error lab is always open down there, and Anjali and I will read your comments and help you fix them very gently. We are a learning family here.
Yes, we are learning together. If you loved this Q&A practice today, please show us some love.
Yes, we are learning together. If you loved this Q&A practice today, please show us some love. Click that like button right now and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel English Practice. Your likes, comments and subscribes give us so much motivation to keep making these free videos for you. Every single new subscriber makes our team so happy.
Share this video with a friend who wants to practice basic conversational English at home.
Thank you so much for watching lesson 6 with us. You are doing an amazing job. Don't stop.
See you tomorrow for lesson 7. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye bye, friends. See you tomorrow.